Sit down. Tell me what you want.
I don't know. What we even got?
So, sabi pa ng mama ko, nag-away kami ng papa mo, gang. Dahil ano? So, explain to them, honey, why you don't go to the hospital and...
Yes, he sees at least 2 cysts in my left kidney, and one of them is very large. One's like, good morning, Philippines!
Guys, good morning. Nagising ako, guys. 3 o'clock sa alarm, and then bumalik ako, natulog. Nakatulog ako ng 1.5 hour. So, it's 4:30 ngayon, malapit ng 5. Late na, guys. You know, katulugon pa ko, as in, gusto ko pa matulog. Gusto ko pa matulog. So, guys. Kuha lang ako ng damit. Ayun. Ito yung problema. Hindi ko kaya yung mga dapat gigising ng umaga. Yung mga 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock. Magising ako natural sa bed. Pero kapag aalis, parang ng katawan ko. Parang ayaw ng katawan ko. Ay, kinakain ko na yung mga posa ko. Anyway guys, so kita-kits na lang tayo sa bahay guys. Pagdating ko doon, palabasin ko sila, kakainin, din matulog tayo ulit. Kasi pag andun sa hospital, hindi tayo makatulog. Yung naramdaman niya hindi umu-okay. So, you know, kailangan talaga. Kailangan kong pumunta sa grocery store. Wala akong choice guys, kundi ayaw kong magpunta sa grocery store. Pero wala akong choice. Ayan, I will see you sa bahay guys. Makikinig lang tayo ng mga Tagalog na kanta. And 5 o'clock na. Bye, see you there. You'll stay in the yard, ha? Quiet, ha? Roxy, get down. Roxy. Roxy. Dito na ako guys. And, ayan. Wala, you have happy na? Kayo, Pipi, hurry up. Hurry up because I'm going upstairs. Eh, binali ko tong kasi mag-inaw. Ay, hindi pa rin okay yung pakiramdam niya, guys. So, pahinga lang ako. And then, magluto ng breakfast. It's 6:30 na. And then, ihatid ko siya sa hospital. Emergency. So, ihatid ko siya doon. Pero pahinga muna ako kasi pagod. Anyway. Oh, see you later. So, ngayon, guys, dito si Tammy galing sa baba. Bumaba siya and nagkape lang kami, kumain ng breakfast. So yun yung breakfast namin, bread, coffee, and ihatid ko siya sa masakit yung mata ko, katulugon pa ko guys kasi gusto ko pang matulog. And naliligo siya ngayon, ligo siya kasi ihatid ko siya sa emergency room. Nag-alala ako guys, gusto ko siya andon sa hospital emergency. Pero, at the same time, nag-alala talaga ako. Kasi ang dami ng coronavirus dito. Sabi pa niya, ihatid ko lang daw siya and then hindi na ako papasok. I'm going to check him. And, yeah, be right back. Yung bangs natin is pumurma. Anyway guys, so yun yung kaganapan ngayong umaga. Pumunta siya dito sa baba kasi dinala itong blanket. Wala kasi, nakaiga ako dito kanina. Ano ng oras? 9 o'clock. Wala daw akong blanket. May camera kasi lang. Tinitignan niya sa camera, nakahiga daw ako, walang blanket. Kaya binaba itong blanket. Sabi ko, ba't bumaba ka? Ang sakit ng mo. Bumaba siya, so nag-breakfast kami dito. Si Roxy gustong lumabas. Nakakaloka. You won't leave me alone. Aray! Aray, nako. Aray! Don't use your nails on me, na. Kiss mama. I said don't use. Palabasin ko to guys kasi ang kulit ng baby. Iwan ko guys, andito pa kami sa bahay. Yun yung pumunta. Marami siyang tinatawagan. Yung pinsan niya tinatawagan niya. Nag-try siya magtawag ng doktor. Hindi ko alam guys. Hopefully hindi siya nagpa-pretend na walang sakit. Kumukunti daw yung sakit. Hopefully hindi yun ano. You know. Ay, ang hirap guys kapag ganito. Natawa din ako sa mga ano doon sa Pinas. Diyan sa Pinas ba? Yung mga tao bumibili ng saging. Hindi ibig sabihin kumakain ka ngayon ng saging. Protect na ngayon sa'yo. Kinig lang tayo ng ano news guys. Saging muna tayo guys. Hi guys. Hello. Tignan nyo sinong bumaba. Ay nako. Wala. Alam nyo, nagtataka ako kung totoo ba tong kumukunti yung sakit ng ano niya. Or atik-atik lang para hindi makapunta sa hospital. Sit down. Tell me what you want.
I don't know. What you even got?
Chicken, put it there. You have salad here. I don't know where did I put it.
Mine or yours?
Probably, I don't know. Sit down, I'll do it and let me know.
You're not gonna eat that fish. I'll have that.
No!
Why?
No, no, no!
Yeah.
Whatever. Go ahead. Make a more problem. Go!
Why more problem? It's a fish.
You said it's freaking expired for a long time. And you let the dog out.
Yeah.
And now what? Can you just sit down? Can I do this? Sit down. Tommy, sit.
Leave them alone. Push.
Sit down.
I will. You need to eat it in a toaster or a regular oven or something.
Okay. This bread or this what? The fish?
Yeah.
You want it toaster oven?
Hello. Likely just turn into mush crap.
Okay. I don't know why he doesn't cook it. Or she to eat this. Make the
Not right now.
virus go away. Don't even look. Don't look at her. Don't look at her.
I didn't save you any fish. Probably not good for you. You want me to cook something for you?
Shit. Huh?
What do you want me to cook? What do you want?
Can't even stand.
You want steak? You want turkey?
She bucked up.
Turkey? Oh, the tail goes for turkey.
Hi guys, I was talking to my mother when I was driving here this morning guys. So, I was talking to her. I called them while I was driving. So, sabi pa ng mama ko, nag-away kami ng papa mo, gang. Dahil nag-away daw sila. Sabi ko, palagi naman kayo nag-away para kayong mga bata. Sabi pa niya, sabi ko, bakit kayo nag-away? Because, umiinom daw siya. Sabi ko, dalawa daw sila uminom. And then, sabi pa ni mama ko, palagi na si papa umiinom. Sabi pa ni mama, umiinom siya dahil daw gusto niya mapatay yung virus.
I don't know what you just said. Something about it.
My father drinking to kill the virus. Han, you just finished, right?
We're drinking Corona beer.
You just finished, right?
Yeah, Corona beer.
Yung ama ko talaga kaloka.
He's got Broadway in Yonkers. He's got a 9 a.m. appointment tomorrow.
Cool, Han. You know, some doctors doesn't have any reviews and they are good. You just have to go there and just make an appointment and do it. You don't want to go to hospital though. The Mount Vernon Hospital doesn't close because of coronavirus. They're closed because
the beds were empty. But now they probably stayed open for now. Close them down because they don't have enough people.
Hello guys. So ngayon, naka-coat pa talaga ako. Anyway, so punta daw kami sa nagpaano siya. Explain lang niya mamaya. Pero ngayon, explain lang niya mamaya kung saan kami pupunta nito guys. Sa models. Kasi daw yung models, na mag-close daw sila. Itapon ko lang tong basura ko guys. At saka maraming pa naman sa models. Parang ang maganda yung yung sweater, ganon. So, mag-close daw. So, magpunta daw kami. Ako na yung mag-drive kasi ayaw kong mag-drive si Mr. Sakit pa rin yung niya. Kaya charge muna tayo. Pagkatapos dyan, mamili pa talaga. Kailangan. Ito, sabi ko, mamili pa. Ang dami pa nating Mamili siya ng ng gloves. Para sa Why you bring this? This is
2-layer tear resistant.
here. Are you serious? If I'm gonna use your knife, I know, but this is not gonna be like effective.
Bacteria, virus, and chemical barrier. 2 layers. So it's like a double layer glove.
Tignan nyo guys, kahit may coronavirus na, ito pa rin, oh, shopping pa rin. That's really short though.
I figured.
Oh. You have to get bigger. Kahit nagkahirap-hirap na yung mundo, at saka siya din may sakit. Yan. Ganito yung life. Get the burgundy. How much is it?
Well, 19 is on sale.
What? How much is on sale? Shit, not. Let's go now, please. Look at you. He's in pain. Luka naman ito. So we are heading to his doctor's appointment.
Go stop at GNC. I can get you some of that. Oregano oil.
No.
Right in the corner.
Okay.
Should have it. I'm telling you.
We're heading out and hopefully I can drive. It's easy driving everywhere.
Get some more oreganos. GNC right here.
Right here. You think we can turn
Yes, at the light.
to the left?
Yes, at the light.
Okay. So explain to them, honey, why you don't go to the hospital and how did you do this appointment thing and stuff.
Why I don't go to the hospital? Let's see. Last time I spent a week in the hospital and they didn't resolve anything. And then because the hospitals were so empty, they don't want you to leave because they need people to fill up the hospital beds. Now, when there's no hospital beds, they'll probably rush you the hell out, and you're gonna go there and still not get anything done. I want somebody who's gonna actually get something done. Look at the results, run the proper tests, and say, all right, this is what we need to do. And then, you need surgery. Let's make a hospital appointment for surgery. They schedule you. You spend 2 days in the hospital and out. Not that you want to spend 2 weeks in the hospital and get nothing done, and you get the same
In
pain that
1,000
you went in
feet,
with.
turn left to Hutchinson Parkway North.
He doesn't really want to spend at the hospital, guys. And also,
There's no point to it.
I know, and then plus I'm worried the coronavirus, but do I want him to be fixed? Yes. So he's looking ways to. He called his cousin, he called his.
Well, only because there's a backlog on appointments. You can't get appointments quick.
For doctors, guys, doctors. To go to the
make a
highway.
left here.
Turn left at the traffic light.
So that's where we're heading, guys. To his appointment.
In
Careful, somebody with cops right up here. Check your speed coming around.
Dito na kami, guys. Pero sobrang early, so kaya nandito muna kami.
Well, we'll see what he has to say. Once he looks at the test results and stuff, hopefully he has something to tell me where we can go from here. If it needs a surgery, fine, let's schedule it. Supposedly, if it's a light surgery, it's like 2 days in the hospital, hopefully. And if it's a more intense surgery, well, that's too. But at least I don't have to spend 2 weeks in the hospital before they find out what they want to do.
Right.
Sit in the hospital being pumped full of morphine and not figuring anything out. They just come in and smile at you every morning. And say, how you feeling? Oh, I'm in a lot of pain. The pain medication is not helping. Oh, really? Oh, okay. I'll see you tomorrow. Okay. That was great.
Thanks for telling me, bye.
Yeah. Because they don't really want to know. They just want to stick their head in so they can bill. Life of time. They said you're not really a good parent. Let your kids hate you.
To blame to his therapist,
There you go. Something to talk about.
Yeah.
Naglalaro ako dito kanina. And tapos na akong naglalaro din, tinix ako ni Tommy, I cannot come. Sabi pa niya, can't come in because of coronavirus. I said, what? Why? You're joking. And ang reply na, not joking. No unnecessary family members allowed in waiting room. So I guess I'm going to wait here. They don't let any people coming in, just come and go and wait over there. Anyway, so yun siya guys. Naglalaro lang ako dito. Nanonood ako ni Mike Enriquez.
Higit sa lahat sa inyong pamilya.
Si ano pala, si Mike Zubere, nagka-coronavirus na. Sige na ako. Naghihintay lang ako dito ni Tami. Ano ng oras? 4 something na. Let me see. Almost
Yan po, Senador.
almost 4:40 na ng hapon. Yun, building. Dito ako nakapark. And then doon, Youngers po ito guys, Youngers. And then doon po ang doon po yung building na pinuntahan ni Tami dyan. Paano kaya kung putulan ko tong buhok? Maraming sa inyo nagsabing putulan guys. Para na akong si Dora the Explorer nito guys. Kung putulan ko pa, wag na guys. Kasi gusto ko yung mataas. I-trim ko na lang ito. Trim ganon. Pero putulan para short, I think I did that already how many times. So, gusto ko naman, tataas man itong bangs. So, hopefully, hindi na tayo mag-bangs ng ganito. Na-miss niyo yung mukha ko without bangs.
People standing out here in the parking lot because they don't want to get inside close to other people. Did you not notice that?
Oh, yeah, I see that. So, okay, research first before we keep going.
Okay.
Oh, I don't even research. Shit. So now, guys, we are looking for... You want dinner? You're the one keep asking
I know.
me.
What did we decide? Oh, hot
it's
wings.
spicy
Hot wings.
shitting. Hot
Buffalo
wings?
wings.
Can I just see hot wings?
Buffalo wings. Freaking
Flushing, New York?
No.
Why is it there's in Flushing?
Well, because it's in Flushing. We
No.
don't want to go to Queens.
Near me?
Villa Maria Pizza.
Maria, that's the one over there.
Villa Maria. They're in Chatsworth. 10.
Buffalo Wild Wings, oh?
Oh, where are they?
It's like, where is the...
Oh, the Count place in New Rochelle.
Huh?
New Rochelle.
New Rochelle, okay. Not over here in Largemont?
Oh, the Count place.
Post Road, Boston Post Road. What is this?
That's Main Street.
Over here?
Yeah.
Can we try this?
Yeah.
Which one?
Whichever one you want.
Sherwood's? Let me try to do the direct.
Yeah,
Which
going
one?
back
Which
towards
one you're
home.
talking about?
You're going to Sherwood's, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's going back towards home, I'm sure. It's a little bar on the right-hand side when you go up Post Road.
Okay guys, so hanap mo ng pagkain guys. Okay guys, andito na kami. So ito yan siya. Look over there, nandun si Tami dito. Look, dyan siya. Hindi ko malagay guys, yung yung GoPro ko, nagka siya, problema yung SD card. Nagka-error. Hindi ko alam kung bakit nagka-error yung SD card ko. Hindi ko talaga alam pero ilagay ko sana itong camera ko.
I ordered Cajun spice ribs.
Cajun?
Spicy instead of barbecue sauce. Oh. Hello.
Hey.
What's up, kiddos? I'm no better off than I was when I started, but it went. Well, the only thing I'm better off is he says, yes, he sees at least 2 cysts in my left kidney, and one of them is very large. One's like 2.5 centimeters, the other one's 6 centimeters or 6.5 centimeters. He goes, in my right kidney, there's so many cysts, he can't even see the stones. He says, yeah, there's a lot of stones, and yes, there's the cysts, but he doesn't see the pain. It's not coming from that. He says, I'm going to need to see a neurologist, and I'm going to have to have the MRI done.
They can't do a CAT scan. They can't do...
No, he's got the CAT scan results. He says, you're not going to do that. You need the MRI.
All right. And what do you say about the fact your insurance keeps saying no, but I'm paying for it?
What can he say about that? That has nothing to do with him.
Well,
You see a neurologist.
Fight them and get them reasoning?
Well, he can't, because that's not his realm. I got to see a neurologist, and the neurologist will have to fight for it. Well, he wants to see me again in a month. He needs me to get some blood work done before I come back. So he gave me a prescription for that blood work. He wants to see me again in a month, and he doesn't know what we're gonna do. But there are things that can be done.
All right. Can you refer you to a neurologist?
No, he didn't refer me to one. He just told me I had to find one. Well, like I said, the only good thing. I mean, the doctor was nice. I got along. It was fine. I addressed a couple issues with him, and I told him, the last guy I went to, he was worthless. Basically, and I told him the guy's name because I know he knows him. And I said, but in all honesty, a couple of years, and I told him I have to pee literally every 20 minutes. And he goes, and he didn't give you something for that? I said, no, nothing. He never addressed it at all. I said, this has been going on for years. I said, he had me come every week for months and never addressed anything.
Nakapagbili na siya ng kanyang dinner. What did you get? Why is it 4 containers? Oh, baby.
I tell you, ribs.
I know.
Chick at a Hot Wings.
Is this guy closer to me?
I don't know.
Huh?
Put on your reverse, you'll see anything. You got plenty of room. Onion crinkles and french
Onion
fries.
crinkles?
Yeah, they're like onion rings, but they're not rings.
Onion crinkles.
And watch this comp over here. And,
Huh?
let's see the comp right there.
Yeah.
And,
So what's going
and
on?
French fries come with the ribs. So
Okay. How about over here, the car wash? They're empty. Car wash empty, baby. Han, I feel bad with this store, Han. They are closing everything here slowly.
feel bad for the stores. Feel bad for people because when all these stores don't reopen, yeah.
After this coronavirus, right? It will
If
probably...
it lasts long enough, a lot of these places will never come back.
It's like bankruptcy, right?
Yeah.
And they get delivery, Han.
Yeah.
And
It's designed to go in there when they get a delivery. It's the only time you might actually get something you can't get.
I don't want to, honey.
Alcohol, sanitizer, stuff like that.
We have too many. Believe me, honey, don't be panicky too. Panicky, hon. Do you know, panic, right? Panic buying.
Right.
And the bat, Tagalog of the bat, it's panicky. 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 Because of the panicky, people are panicky. Kain lang kami, guys. Sammy want ketchup for his fries. We don't. Family won't survive without ketchup, guys. They put ketchup in their freaking steak.
Nobody puts ketchup on steak.
Pakita ko kayo, ha. Magmukbang tayo if put ano natin sa isang channel. Tapos siya, ano siya, buffalo wings. Buffalo wings. And why there's different kind of buffalo wings?
There's 2.
2 different kind.
I ordered you 2 orders because I know you like them a lot.
Okay. Okay, if you're not survived, if you don't thing in our other channel. Yes, she eats everything. If you don't subscribe in our other channel, please do.
Alright, you ate everything.
Kain tayo. Check. So guys, the New York City, they're closing the what? The non-essential store. Non-essential?
Non-essential.
Not essential. Like clothing store, Target, foot and famous footwear, anything like that. Only open the grocery thing, right?
Pharmacies, grocery stores, essential things that you need.
So that's the only open. But any store are they're closed. How about restaurants?
Restaurants are closed except for takeout service.
And the scary thing, and this New York thing, especially the city, is
Closed down all movie theaters.
oh, they really are closing, guys. Like it's gonna be like zombie
Apocalypse.
zombie apocalypse here in New York. It's gonna be weird, honey.
Recommending that all Americans, including the young and healthy, work to engage in schooling from home when possible. Avoid gathering in groups of more than 10 people. Avoid discretionary travel. And avoid eating and drinking at bars, restaurants, and public food courts.
The president also said doctors are working on antiviral therapy.
The
I
bill
can't go
includes
back to the
free
Philippines.
coronavirus testing for those who need it, and that includes the uninsured. Also, funding for meals for school.
With you, it doesn't matter much because, you know, unless you start doing a lot of money,
I know, I'm just
my Social Security behind you, you can't collect 2. So I die, you collect mine. You can't collect both.
you
yours
can't
and
collect
mine.
both.
No.
Just like mom, huh?
Right, you can't collect 2. She was collecting my father's because hers
Because
was next
higher.
to nothing.
She doesn't really work. Oh, she did work in the airlines, that's it. Wait, I know somebody, honey, before, when we are in Market America. I met this woman. Her husband died. She said she collect only 500. How that? From her husband.
Maybe he didn't work that much.
500 monthly, she said.
But he didn't work much.
I remember her Social Security. That's the only thing that she can get from her husband.
It's based on what you put into the system.
More massive drops on Wall Street. The Dow Jones dropped just short of
3,000 points.
points
Wow.
today.
Shit,
That
that's
is
a
the
big
biggest
thing.
one-day drop in history.
Wow, that's so big, hon.
And the bad
Honey,
day got worse as
you're gonna
Florida
lose a lot of money, hon.
came out. Here's a look at the
Wow,
Dow.
we are now lower than we were 10 years ago. We're now 10 years old numbers.
back to before, huh? Plus, this is gonna keep going, huh? Nothing left, hon.
Yeah.
Can you take it out? Hon, that's the best thing you can do, hon. Call him, hon. Put it in the bank.
Not really the best thing you can do.
Hi, guys. So, I'm going to end the vlog, guys, because it's already 7:56 already. And, yeah. Ano lang ako, pahinga lang kami, guys. And, yeah. So, yun lang yung ginawa namin ngayong araw. And, nag-transfer lang ako ng clip para ma-edit natin bukas. Kasi, my husband just keeps smoking. See, hi, guwapo.
Yeah, guys.
He's very guwapo, guys. He is in
No,
pain.
he's not.
He is handsome. We feel bad for him, right, guys? We do. We do feel bad for baby. Right, guys? We do. We're gonna end this vlog. Bye-bye. Bye, baby.
Bye, guys.